Ben Proudfoot and Chris Bowers, the co-directors of the LAUSD Repair Shop, brought recognition, elevated the dignity, the humanity, the professionalism of individuals who for far too long worked in the shadows of the school system.
Make people of Los Angeles feel proud of the fact that they have this incredible resource. And maybe, just maybe, other people in other school districts around the country might ask the question, hey, why don't we have that?
Having the Oscar win has been an incredible notification and to everybody, and we look forward to doing more work to make it better for our kids.
There's a community of people here that really care about them and want to see them succeed, want to see them supported, want to see them loved, and that if they want to be a musician or if they want to just have access to a musical instrument, that there are people here dedicated to make sure that they can do that.
The team at the LAUSD Repair Shop is a team like none other anywhere in the country.